hydraulic energy conversion cycle. Now I am going to tell you some important issue about water conveyance structures. This contains intake, spillway, gate chamber, trash rack, high pressure tunnel, surge tank, valve chamber, penstock, inlet valve. Now I'm going to discuss these important terms one by one. The first one is intake. Intake is used to divert the required amount of water from a source, such as a reservoir, into a penstock. As you see, it is provided with many equipments like trash rack, bridge, crane, and other. Also, there is important devices used as trash rack in reservoirs. This is called skimmers. The main function of skimmers is used to hold or remove contaminated material flowing on the surface of the water in reservoir. The next one is surge tank. The main uses of this surge tank is to protect water hammer or to resist high pressure during the sudden rise of water pressure, and this used to resist damage of penstock during the valve chamber is closed. This surge tank is constructed between dam and valve chambers. This is used to resist collapse of water come from a dam and back from the valve chamber. This penstock is 7 meter diameter and 50 meter height. It is far from a dam around 3 kilometers. The other one is valve chambers. This valve chamber is provided with several gates. The main function of this valve chamber is used to monitor flow or used to close and open flow of water into penstock. We can close this valve chamber during maintenance and operation of penstock. The next one is penstock. As you see, this one penstock. It has 2.1 meter diameter, and also it is around the 2000 meter length. The next one is powerhouse. Power station can be classified as surface power station and underground power station. Surface power station. A surface power station structure can conveniently consist of 3 main divisions: the substructure, the intermediate structure, the superstructure. The next and the most important title or conveyance structure is inlet valve. Valves are controlling structure installed at 2 places where the flow is to be regulated or controlled. This inlet valve is used to monitor water or stop water flow to turbine during maintenance and operation of turbine. This part is external part of Pelton turbines. Pelton turbine is recommended for high head and low flow, while French turbine recommended for low head and high discharge or flow. This is also structure of the turbine. The structure consists of rotating parties, embedded parties, servo motor, air emission system, instrument, pipeline tools, rotating part container, runner, main shaft, shaft gland, turbine guide bearing. Embedded parts include guide vane, servo motor, spiral case. This is provided in a control room. We can manage or we can check flow of discharge in a tunnel automatically in this control room. These spiral cases contain jet or needle, nozzle, inlet pipe, and other devices. This is a turbine the generator part. Structure feature of generator include starter, rotor, thrust bearing. The main function of a turbine is convert hydraulic energy to mechanical energy, while generator converting mechanical energy to electrical energy. As you see, turbine and a generator is coupled with a shaft or turbine generator shaft. And this one is terrace or the way of water back to main stream of a river after generate electric power. The next one is cooling system. The preferred option for engine cooling water heat rejection, an exhaust for removing air heated by engine service and a generator exciter. And in this room, there is a drainage removing a structure. This is used to diverting unwanted water or dry water from this powerhouse. The next important topic is governance system components. There are different types of governor in this room. The first one is electronic digital governor, oil pressure unit governor, devices for turbine protection, hydraulic